Right, let's start. I'm going to ask you some questions. You got to reply. Do you make a list when you go for shopping?
I don't usually make a list whenever I go for shopping, as I go to buy a limited number of things. So whenever I go for shopping, I have those things in my mind. So to answer your question, I would say I don't make a list.
Okay, do you make a list for your study or work?
No, I don't think so that lists help you while studying, as you first cover the important topics and then you come to the unimportant ones. So the way I study is quite precise. So to answer your question, I don't usually make lists.
Alright, don't say to answer your question again and again and again, okay? Alright, why don't some people like to make lists?
Some people don't like to make lists, as they're very much aware of the things that they're about to do. That is why I don't think so that people usually like to make lists.
Okay, do you prefer to make a list in the future, or will you prefer to make a list in the future?
I don't think so that I would prefer making a list on my own pen or paper, as the world has become quite an advanced place. People usually pen down the things in their mobile phone. So to answer your question, I guess I will use the list on my mobile.
Alright, what will you do when your wife is going to give you a list of articles to buy from the market?
I will give that list to my dad so that he can go and bring those things for the family. So to give an answer to this question.
Yeah, so ਪਿਓ ਦਾ ਵੀ ਵਿਆਹ ਕਰਾ ਦਿਓ ਇੱਕ Okay, thank you so much. Overall, it's good. Keep it up. Let's go on. It's your turn, please. Do you like meeting new people?
Yes, I want to meet new people, and today it's my first day over here, and I also want to meet new people.
Okay, so you can meet new people here. Otherwise, after the class, when you go on Canal Road, you will meet many new people there.
No, I will try over here.
Over here is better,
Yes.
and it's safe also.
Yes.
Yeah. All right, let's go on. How do you feel when people welcome you?
I enjoy whenever people meet to me and they welcome me, and I try to introduce myself to them.
Come on, say a little more. So I always feel great whenever I go anywhere. People welcome me. I think it's a sort of a protocol for me. It's a great privilege for me. Privilege is a good word. Protocol is a good word. Try to use like
Yes.
that. Okay, you'll be fine. Don't worry. Okay, let's go on. Do you feel nervous when you meet new people, or do you feel nervous while meeting new people?
Lot of time I don't nervous, and today in front of you I'm feeling some nervousness.
You're feeling nervous in front
Yes.
of me? Why?
Because it's first time I'm doing this type of activity.
Okay, you'll be fine, inshallah. Don't worry. Your English is good. You just need to be familiar with all these questions, and then you'll be able to answer properly, right?
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.